Hey, if you're a startup founder, especially in the sustainable packaging space, today's video is going to be a game changer for you. We're diving into how you can create a powerful investor pitch deck that not only grabs attention, but also convinces investors to back your vision. And we're doing it with the help of Pitchora AI. Here's the truth. Investors see hundreds of pitch decks every month. Most of them look the same. Static slides, generic bullet points, and vague promises. But if you're building a startup around sustainable packaging, you're tackling one of the most urgent problems of our time: reducing plastic waste and creating eco-friendly alternatives. That mission deserves more than a boring PowerPoint. It deserves an interactive, engaging pitch that makes investors feel the impact of your idea instantly. That's where Pitchora AI comes in. Instead of spending weeks designing slides or hiring expensive consultants, Pitchora AI lets you transform your startup idea, your website, or even a simple description into a 3D-style interactive pitch deck in about 60 seconds. Imagine your pitch deck coming alive, answering investor questions in real time, showing them the journey of your product, and guiding them step by step towards saying yes. Let's break it down. Step 1 is simple. You feed Pitchora AI your startup details. For example, you enter your mission. We're building biodegradable packaging that replaces single-use plastics. You add your product description, maybe a link to your prototype website, and Pitchora AI instantly generates the foundation of your pitch. It creates the copy, the visuals, and even the conversation logic that makes your pitch interactive. Step 2 is where the magic happens. You choose an AI presenter, maybe a professional avatar with a confident voice, and customize the flow. You can highlight your market opportunity, show your product demo, and even add hotspots that explain your competitive advantage. Instead of investors flipping through slides, they're guided through an immersive journey that feels more like a conversation than a presentation. Here's the killer feature. Investors can actually ask questions inside the pitch. They might ask, "What's your projected market size?" Or, "How do you plan to scale manufacturing?" Pitchora AI responds instantly with voice and text, handling objections and clarifying details without you repeating yourself. This makes your pitch deck feel like a live dialogue, even if you're not in the room. Pitchora AI also includes built-in lead capture and CRM tools. That means when investors interact with your pitch, you can collect their details, track their engagement, and follow up strategically. Instead of wondering who's interested, you'll know exactly which investors are serious and ready to talk. Now, why is this especially powerful for sustainable packaging startups? Because your mission is visual, emotional, and urgent. Investors want to see the problem, mountains of plastic waste, and the solution, your eco-friendly packaging. With Pitchora AI, you can show that story in a dynamic, interactive way that makes them feel the impact. You're not just pitching numbers, you're pitching a vision for a cleaner planet. And here's the best part. You don't need to spend thousands on design agencies or pitch consultants. Pitchora AI gives you a 24/7 interactive pitch agent for a one-time cost that's less than a dinner out. Plus, you can reuse it for future funding rounds, client pitches, or even customer demos. It's not just a tool, it's an investment in your startup's growth. So, if you're serious about raising capital for your sustainable packaging startup, stop relying on static slides. Start creating investor pitch decks that engage, answer, and convert with Pitchora AI. Your mission is too important to be ignored, and with the right pitch, you can inspire investors to join your journey toward a greener future. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-converting startup strategies, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of pitch you're working on. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, keep innovating and keep pitching smarter.